guys. Today we're going to be learning about neurotransmitters and hormones. Neurotransmitters.
Neurotransmitters are often referred to as the body's chemical messengers. They are the molecules used by the nervous system to transmit messages between neurons or from neurons to muscles. Acetylcholine is the most common type of neurotransmitter and the most well understood. It's found in parts of the peripheral nervous system, spinal cord, and areas of the brain. It activates muscles that help the body move and enables memory as well as learning. Deficiencies of acetylcholine can lead to myasthenia gravis, characterized by muscle weakness. Too little acetylcholine may lead to Alzheimer's.
Ow! Where am I?
Dopamine is most commonly associated with the brain's pleasure and reward system. It also influences movement, learning, attention, and emotion. Excess dopamine receptor activity is linked to schizophrenia. Starved of dopamine, the brain produces the tremors and decreased mobility of Parkinson's disease.
Hey, do you want a snickerdoodle cookie?
Yeah, I can think about that. But if I get the snickerdoodle, can I also get the cookie?
Yeah, just show me a trick.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Whatever you got.
Okay.
Here you go. Nice job.
Thank you so much.
Serotonin has a wide variety of functions in the body as it affects mood, hunger, sleep, and arousal. It is most commonly associated with being the chemical which contributes to happiness and well-being. An undersupply of serotonin is linked to depression. However, Zoloft, Prozac, and other selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, also known as SSRIs, serve to raise serotonin levels.
How are you?
I'm really good.
Hey, what's wrong? I'm just really depressed. Here, try some Zoloft. Feel better.
Norepinephrine is released predominantly from the ends of sympathetic nerve fibers and acts to increase the force of skeletal muscle contraction and the rate and force of contraction of the heart. The actions of norepinephrine are vital to the fight or flight response, whereby the body prepares to react or to retreat from an acute threat. A lack of norepinephrine can depress mood and lead to conditions such as ADHD, depression, and hypotension.
Ah, peaches!
GABA is considered to be an inhibitory neurotransmitter because it blocks or inhibits certain brain signals and decreases activity in the nervous system. When GABA attaches to a protein in the brain known as a GABA receptor, it produces a calming effect. This can help with feelings of anxiety, stress, and fear. It may also help to prevent seizures. Alcohol mimics GABA in the brain and binds to GABA receptors, which is why alcohol has a calming effect and is considered a depressant. Low levels of GABA are linked to seizures, tremors, insomnia, and disrupted sleep.
Can't sleep. Try melatonin.
Glutamate is by a wide margin the most abundant excitatory neurotransmitter in the vertebrate nervous system. It is used by every major excitatory function in the vertebrate brain, accounting in total for well over 90% of the synaptic connections in the human brain. It plays an important role in learning and memory. It also serves as a primary neurotransmitter for some localized brain regions. Presence of too much glutamate in the brain can overstimulate the brain and lead to migraines or seizures.
Name a major excitatory neurotransmitter involved in memory. Glutamate? Correct. Yeah, that's good, I remember. So ready for the psych test. I feel a migraine coming on. Too much glutamate. Hormones.
Hormones are chemicals synthesized by the endocrine glands that are secreted in the bloodstream. Hormones affect the brain and many other tissues of the body. Testosterone is a sex hormone that plays important roles in the body. In men, it's thought to regulate sex drive, bone mass, fat distribution, muscle mass and strength, and the production of red blood cells and sperm. A small amount of circulating testosterone is converted to estradiol, a form of estrogen. Low testosterone has a host of symptoms such as hair loss, fat gain, and loss of motivation, among other things.
Hey Matt, I'm working on a psych project. Can you by any chance tell me what testosterone does?
Testosterone does a number of things for men. For instance, it gives you a really deep voice, like this.
What do you mean, lose my hair? I'm not lose my hair. This is just my hairstyle. I like it thin.
Yeah, sure.
Estrogen is a vital hormone in female development. During puberty, the ovaries begin releasing estrogen hormones in line with each monthly menstrual cycle. Estrogen deficiency may cause a decline in serotonin that contributes to mood swings or depression.
Estrogen does a number of things for women, but one of the lesser known things is that it's beneficial to hair growth and promoting healthy and full hair.
Progesterone is a female sex hormone. It's produced mainly in the ovaries following ovulation each month. It's a crucial part of the menstrual cycle and maintenance of pregnancy. Some symptoms of low progesterone for women who aren't pregnant include headaches or migraines, mood changes, including anxiety or depression, and thyroid dysfunction.
Carly! Oh, wait!